Hi guys, you won't believe just what just happened. Oh my God. So I'm walking and this nice fellow just stopped in his car because it's super windy here in Toronto, and got out of his car because I dropped my mitts. I know, who does that? Super nice. Anyways, I was very, very happy to see that people are so kind and nice and helpful. Oh my God, you won't believe how windy it is here. Do you see? I feel like I'm going to be blown away. But it was raining this morning and I couldn't get out for my walk. It was just really wet and miserable and cold, and I have to admit I was quite tired. Oh my goodness me, I can't believe this wind. Well, you know what? It'll make for better walking. It's pushing me. Oh my goodness. Sometimes you have to listen to your body if you're tired, to rest a little bit more. You can find other times to exercise. It's my lunchtime. Oh my God. I swear I'm being blown. This is just crazy. It said it was going to be windy, but I had no clue that it would be this windy. Hopefully it'll calm down and I'll be able to get a good power walk in. So it is my lunchtime. And it's so important to find, even if like right now, if I do like a half an hour, I figured it's better than nothing. And then I can try to sneak in more time later, right? Exactly. So you just have to figure out and really listen to your body. The other thing is that, I went home from work yesterday and, I thought, I should exercise, but I was super tired. And again, I listened to my body and I took a little nap, and then I got up and I did things that I needed to do. But again, sometimes if you're working crazy hours on your feet like I am, then you have to rest, okay? Because that's all part of our journey. Getting enough sleep, getting enough rest, relaxing. I'm all about exercise, but you have to listen to your body, and that's what this is all about. Because so many people, yeah, you can push yourself, and that's good. We all push ourselves. And I'm not saying don't try to push yourself once in a while and don't ever exercise, but of course I want you to exercise and find something that you love to do. Walking is probably my favorite in the whole world. And I think that it does so much for you. It clears your mind, and it's not so stressful on your body. People are looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to my phone. But that's okay. Let them think what they want, right? So it just does so much. It clears your head. It's your me time. You can listen to music. You can talk to people if you want, or just have some peace and quiet for a change. That's what you need to do, right? Of course, right? Oh my God, I can't believe it. When I saw the sun come out, it made me so happy. And being outside, if you can, of course, and listening to the birds and seeing the beautiful sky. And okay, so it's not green yet and there aren't many flowers, but I'm a people person, so I like to people watch. I do, it's fun, and see people and say hello. And when you smile, people will smile back, and that makes you feel good. Saying hello, and that nice person who gave me back my mitten was so sweet, and that wouldn't have happened if I stayed inside. So you never know what can happen. Years ago, I went on a walk and I hadn't seen a friend of mine for a long time. I was with my daughter. She was about 8 months old. And I went in a different direction that I normally go in. Again, because I love to walk. And I ran into an old friend, and she had an 8-month-old baby too. And it was like, oh my God, we haven't seen each other since like high school, junior high even, I think, junior high. I won't tell you how many years ago, but it was a long time ago that we went to school together. And, it was meant to be. There's a Jewish word my mother always says, besheret. And besheret means, things happen and it's meant to be. And if I hadn't gone for my walk and if I hadn't gone on that direction, I wouldn't have seen her. And with her son, and then her son and my daughter became friends. And we became friends because we realized we were both off together at the same time and we could spend time together and go for walks together. So that's another thing. You can find a partner to do things with and go for a walk and or exercise or whatever it is that you love to do. Because it's nice to have alone time, and it's also motivating to find somebody to do it with. So I found somebody to do it with, and that was fun too. My sister also was a huge motivator after she lost a lot of weight, and she pushed me to do something. And I started out by walking, and like I've said in my other videos, setting just little goals for yourself, okay? You don't need to do miles and miles at a time and or hours and hours at a time. Just a little bit start, and you'll be so proud of yourself. You will feel so much better. For a few minutes I debated, should I go for a walk? Should I stay and eat my lunch? Well, I have my apple, so I figured, where's my apple? I'm not lying, I brought my apple. Here's my apple. I told you I had my apple. So I figured that can hold me over for a while. And then I'll go back and, oh my God, I'm getting blown. I'm gonna have my turkey salad, which I posted. So don't forget to check that out. Super easy, guys. Of course, all my recipes are super easy because that's what I love. And I'm thinking that I want to make a Passover lasagna. I made one last year, but I'm going to step it up a little bit this year and do it a little bit differently because that's what I like to do. See, when you're on your walks, you start getting ideas of things, meal prep ideas. Well, if you're like me, you do. Or things you want to bake or shop for. That's what I think about. I know. Anyway, so I'm going to go enjoy my apple, and then I'm going to start walking a little faster so I can get in some good exercising. And I hope this is helpful for you guys. My windy hat, look at it. It's blowing, blowing, blowing. When will it be spring? I have this feeling that April's going to be freezing cold, and then it's going to be like summer out, right? Hope you can even see my face. This fur on this jacket is so big, it like takes over you. But that's okay. It's keeping me really warm. I've got this huge long jacket I got at Costco. Actually, it was a present from my mother. Of course, my wonderful mother knew that I'm outside with my students. And I said, oh my God, that would be so warm. Oh, and I'm short, okay? I'm only like 5'4". So this goes way below my knees and keeps my tushy and everything warm. So yeah, stay warm if you go outside. And then I think it's gonna be really nice for May, hopefully, and it'll get warmer, but at least the sun is shining. The vitamin D, it's really, really important. Get vitamin D, people. So that's my spiel. I hope this again helps you. I'm gonna go eat my apple and finish my walk. So whatever you do, remember, be your best, do your best, try your best. Whatever it is, it's good. It's amazing because at least you're trying. At least you're trying to help yourself to be a better you, to be a healthier you, and ultimately a happier you. Okay, signing off from Toronto in my windy, windy hat. I feel like a news reporter. Oh my God, those poor people that have to be outside doing the news all the time. Anyways, at least they're getting fresh air, right? And probably getting paid a lot more than me. I'm not getting paid, by the way. All right, bye for now. Mwah. Bye, guys.